Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is exception handling. We can handle exception uh, using three keyword, that is first one try catch block, using throw and throws. Try catch block and first one is try catch block, and finally question is what is try block. Whenever we write a statement and if the statement is error suspecting statement or uh, or risky code, then we put that code inside the try block. And in order to handle that exception, below try block we, uh, we write catch block. Uh, we write catch block in order to handle the exception thrown by the try block. Exception is the superclass of every other exception that occurred. There are two types of exception: checked exception and unchecked exception. Checked exception occurs at compile time only, while unchecked exception occurs at runtime. The common examples of unchecked exception are array index out of bound exception, arithmetic exception, and many more. We can use multiple catch block along with single try block. Try block in order to handle exception. Each catch block contains different type of exception that can be thrown. If there is no exception is occurred in try block, then catch block will not be executed directly. Finally block is going to execute. Finally block is nothing but the block of code which is going to execute even if the exception is occurred or not. Even if exception is occurred or not. If exception is occurred, then there is a abnormal termination of the program. In order to handle the exception, we put this risky code inside the try block and handle it using catch block. Catch block is the main purpose of catch block is to handle the exception which are thrown by try block. Note point: catch block will not be executed if there is no exception inside the try block. Inside the try block, try block is either try block is either comes with catch block or finally block. We cannot use only try block or only catch block separately. We can use multiple try catch block. Now the next way to handle exception is using throws keyword. Throws keyword is used to handle exception, and it is throw keyword is used into the method's signature, whereas throw keyword is used inside the method body. Throws keyword, by using throw keyword we are not going to handle the exception. We just throw exception from one method to caller method. From one method to caller method. If the exception is occurred into the any method, it JVM first check whether the exception is handled or not. If exception is not handled, just then if the throws keyword is used, then JVM looks if the caller method have handled the exception or not, and at last if the caller method again if not handle the exception, then JVM checks whether the main method is in main method exception is handled or not, and even if the exception is thrown by the main method, then JVM with the help of default exception handler, JVM shows the print stack trace of the exception. Now the next keyword is the throw keyword. Throw keyword is used inside the method body. Inside the method body, in order to create user defined exception or customized exception, we use throw keyword. Okay, thank you. That's all about exception handling in Java.